Hi, Kenya. Looking at your work. Okay. All right. So I said some things about the template. It doesn't look like you took my advice at all. I don't think you should have multiple pages of the same thing. You're going to, quite frankly, bore the viewer. Also, I did already mention that this is completely blurry, so there's really no reason to put that in there. And that is letterhead, but how would it work? Is that the top of the letter? Is it a postcard? You might want to be more specific with that. Also made comments about that drop shadow. Doesn't look like you changed that at all. So I'm not sure what's going on here. It doesn't appear that this is honestly very bad photo. So you didn't change that at all either. I'm surprised because I remember you being a very good student in the illustration class, like the best student. So are you very busy or what's going on right now? Um, I would like to know because you know how to bring it when you have time, that's for sure. All right, let me know if you have any questions or what's going on. At the very least, you really need to take these bad photographs out. All right, let me know if you have any questions.